Hello my alien students, so we're back. Yeah, this is part 3 I believe. Yeah, this is part 3 of the drawing project, let's say. Okay, so what I generally would do, okay, generally this is my let's say this is the way I do things. Okay, let's first draw the larger stuff. Now the first thing what I can see in this drawing is these VRVs, isn't it? Yeah, 1, 3, isn't it? Okay, so how do we do this? This is all supply out, isn't it? Okay, how do we draw that? 1, 2, 3, 4, couple of them we have. What I did notice is, I just looking at the drawing, they have let's say fancy dimensions. You see, one of them is far, one of them is near. So we'll have to draw one by one. Okay, I assume that this guy is a human, seriously human. Okay, so what we will do is, listen, I tell you what we do. Okay, our aim is to redraw this in the side. Okay, I just want to show you how to draw it. The main thing is how to draw the duct, etc., etc. Maybe in the coming classes or something, and maybe in the next, that's another course, I would teach you how to size the duct. That's another story, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so what we will do? First, let's make this as a block. I believe this looks as a block, looks very good, isn't it? Yeah. Everywhere they have given dimensions. From this to this. Okay, let's create a block. So how would you create a block? Okay, my story would be, go to layer 0, make sure layer 0 is on. Okay, just be careful. Okay, layer 0 is on. Good. Okay, then what you do, this is all in. Okay, make sure, let's create one layer, block. First what you do is select all of these objects. Okay, I look, wow, who is this human who has done this? He is not a genius, he is I think sheep. But anyway, okay, we make our layer 0, all of them in layer 0, don't worry. Okay. Just a second, okay? Yeah. I think it looks good. Just to create a crop piece so we see we are not select anything. I think, wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so what you'll do is, I think I selected an extra object here. Okay, first thing is, make this is layer 0, all of them. Okay, by layer. Perfect. This is the first thing you're going to do. Okay, is this clear? So first thing, you're going to create layer 0. Then what you're going to do, this is, I'm talking about as of 2021 AutoCAD, you can do this something like this. Okay, go and create layer or create block. What are you going to call it? VRV? Okay. Okay. Block. I do not know if it has been created or not, so I just created base point. Okay, how do we clear the base point? Okay, if I was you, I would use, no, this is not a help because they are individuals. So mid between 2 points, click this point and this point. Fuck. Okay. Okay, select the object. Okay, let's say convert to block. Not a beautiful. Okay, no problem. Okay, done. Created a block. We named it as whatever. Okay, then what we'll do now? Okay, this is in which layer? Okay, make layer as current. Just a second. Okay, there is one command called make current. Okay, okay. So what we'll do now? Let's insert one block. Okay, look at them. He said this guy, and that means the center of this is at from this corner, which is this corner B. Okay, we are going 175 this way and 2250. Just write this number. We have sometime problem in I forget the numbers. Okay, sorry, 1745 comma 2250, isn't it, from B. Okay, similarly from C, okay, then from C, and we have one more here. Yeah, from C this side. Let's just remember it is going minus. This is positive, this is minus. Okay, you will understand what I mean by this. Okay, so you just draw two of them, and then I think you can do the remaining. Okay. Okay, so we said from B. We are here. Very good. So what you'll do is insert. Okay, recent blocks. Okay, this one. Okay, I have one method. This is the newer version. People are not using everyone 2021. Click block. Yeah, 1 minute. Type word insert. Okay, same thing. Okay, from the current drawing, recent drawing. Okay. Okay, we are inserting this. Okay, listen. Now my question is, see, he has given us a wrong base point. Okay, not wrong base point. We want it to be in the center. So what we'll do is, can you see? Say right click lazy. Okay, base point. Click a base point. If you cannot click a base point, okay, do it again. Newer versions, John. Yeah. Insert. What's the name of it? We said VRVs, huh? Insert block. Okay. We want to insert it. Okay, but the thing is, we do not want it from there. We want it to be from the center. Click the base point. Okay, where does the base point you want to be? I tell you one thing. Instead of making so life, bit between 2 points. This one. This one. Okay, so we are correct midpoint now. Okay, what was the dimension? 1745. Okay, what you're going to do now? Okay, say from where? I forgot it from where. I think it was from this point. I forgot. Seriously, I've forgotten. Okay, must be careful. Okay, from this point I would say. Yeah. You see, it is this intersection. Go straight from the wall, yeah, from the wall. So we're looking at B wall. Beautiful. From this point. Okay. How much did we say the number? I think John has a bad memory. Generally, I write this in paper. Okay, I don't keep it there. Okay, 1745. Okay, at 145. You're going down. Minus 2245. I forgot the numbers. 2250. Minus 2250. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, similarly we will have to do the remaining ones. Okay, do one more here. We said going this side. Yeah, just remember this number 1720. I generally write it in pen, so it's easy for me just to look it down. Okay, so we said 1720 225 1720 1720. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Why do I use my brains? Copy this. Control C. Okay, right click, insert, B base point. What you say the base point would be? Shift right click, mid between 2 points. Okay, I believe it is from the finished one, this one. Okay, I generally like to do something called as double check. You don't want to be over smart. Okay, from the inner, no? Yeah. From where? This point. At I did something nonsense. I think what I have done is I did Control C. This gave a problem. Okay, listen, I do it again. This is correct, huh? Yeah. Right click, insert, okay. I hope this is clear. Okay, similarly you're going to do the remaining ones. Okay, the remaining stuff. Okay, for some reason this human has not done, you cannot even mirror it. Okay, okay, for time being, okay, this is not fair. Okay, so I would like you to just copy then the remaining ones you will be doing based on 172. See, it's not at all mirror, it's not even symmetric. Human person. Okay, anyway, we don't want to complain anyway. Okay, second thing, we're going to do this. Wow, look at this guy. Okay, click, click. It's not something beautiful you like to see. Create a block now. Okay. Good practice, create it in layer 0. Okay, don't worry. One minute. I forgot. Okay, doesn't matter. MI. Okay, diffuser, round diffuser. insert. Okay, we draw the diffuser will be in the next part. Okay, you're not given the dimensions. Beautiful. Okay, I think all of them have equal dimensions. What we can do is select one of the dimensions, select add selected, F8. Oops, sorry, my mistake. $750. God knows who is the drawer. Okay, no meaning in this drawing, is it? Okay, but anyway, we don't complain. Okay, so we start inserting the diffusers. Okay, that will be in the part 2, next part. Okay, take care, and we see each other in the next class.